There are 5 basic steps when you're trying to go through and take a test. They're really simple, as you can see. The first one being, of course, reading and understanding a specific problem. You definitely want to be careful when you're going through this step. That's definitely the thing that is going to help you throughout the rest of the process. And you want to make sure that you understand exactly what the question is asking and that you answered that exactly what the question is asking. The graders are only going to want to see what the question is asking. You don't need to give them extra information. The second step is to pick an approach, especially when you have different equations or different types of tests or approaches that you can take towards a problem. You definitely want to make sure that you understand which one is the most correct. And to successfully implement this step, you're going to have to really understand the difference between different approaches. Make sure that you know that. The third step, of course, is just to solve it. Take whatever equation that you're given, or whatever steps that you've learned through your studying, and put it to use. You have a calculator, and just definitely make sure that you're solving the right thing. Number 4, repeat. Of course, every problem should be read and understood, and then taken the correct approach to, and then of course solved. The 5th step is just to check. If you have time, definitely go back and make sure that you haven't plugged a number wrong into the calculator, or that you haven't converted into the correct units. And definitely checking should catch whatever mistakes that you've made, especially if you've practiced those types of problems enough. So, when you take a test, any test, not just an AP test, just keep these 5 things in mind, and you should be well on your way.